Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video we are going to see how to work with the gas sensor, and we are going to interface gas sensor with buzzer and LED. So first let's see how to connect the sensors, basically how to do a circuit designing we are going to perform first, and after that we'll see the coding for this. Okay, so gas sensor basically used to measure the quantity of gas, okay, in an environment. Basically, let's say if you install this gas sensor at your home, and it has the ability to measure the leakage of gas cylinders, the leakage of any LPG gases. Okay, it can able to measure those things. Okay, and it will let you know whether the gas is leaked or not. Okay, so what we are doing, we are creating an alarm system with the help of gas sensor. We will take this gas sensor as a sensor which will sense the presence of gases, okay, presence of gas like LPG gases or the gases which is coming out from the cylinder. Okay, and it will give you alarm when it is a leakage. Okay, when the gas is leakage, it will give you alarm. Okay, so let's see how to create this system. For that, I have taken a gas sensor, I have taken a buzzer, and I have also taken an LED. Okay, so let's perform an connection for this. So first what you have to do, you have to short all these wires, okay, one by one to this, like this, and after that you will take this wire and connect it to where you will connect it to 5 volt. Just a second. Once you've done this one, I'll take the wire from here, go like this. Just I'm trying to organize the wires in a good form. So do the connection like this. Okay, and I also take a resistor. Basically, resistor will resist the value of current. So take a resistor, drag it to the field, connect it here, and this will go to where? It will go to ground. So connect it to the ground like this. Okay, and after that this also will go to the ground. So what I will do, I'll just take it and I can connect it like this here also, or you can connect it to the another ground which is present here. Okay, so let's see how to do that. I'll just take like this, and I will just organize my wire in a nice way. Do it like this and just connect it over here. Okay, and this pin will be responsible for getting value from the environment. Okay, whether the gas is leak or not. So what I'm doing, I'll just connect these pins. I'll just indicate the wires. This is going to the ground, so I'm connecting to the black wires, and this is also a ground pin, so I'm connecting to the black wire again, and this is a signal pin, so I have to change this color to the, let's say I can take any color here. I've taken the blue color. Okay, so like this I have organized my wires so it will look nice and beautiful. Okay, so connection of the gas sensor is done, and now let's connect the buzzer and LED. So negative, I'll just connect it to the negative end, or I can connect it here also, no issue. Ground, and this buzzer, I'll use a common pin for both. I'll use a common pin for LED and the resistor for same working, because they both has to response, right? So I'm connecting it in the same pin, and the ground I'm connecting, both grounds I'm connecting in a same pin again. Like this I'll go and I'll connect it to ground again. So when the red dot is visible, at that time you have to press like this, then only it means it's connected. So this wire is a black wire, and these two are I can change their colors. As both are in the same pin, what I'll do, I'll use a purple wire for both of them. You can do like this because one pin can be used to trigger two things. Okay, so I'll keep it purple because one pin only is common, and this one is what? Black. Like this kind of action also you perform. One pin you can use for triggering two things. Okay, so I'm triggering two things like buzzer and LED with gas sensor. Okay, fine. So let's go to the code now, and we're going to make some changes in the code. So what we will do now, so as a sensor I'm connected to the A0, so I'm not making any changes, so this part is not required, right? So LED is not required, and buzzer, so what I will do, I will change the pin because otherwise you guys will get confused. Okay, you can write LED or you can write buzzer, both I'm writing together. Okay, you can give a simple name, as you know, you can LED buzzer, you can give anything, no issue. You can keep LED only, no issue, fine. So I'm giving LED hyphen underscore buzzer. Okay, because both the pins, it is just for my reference that both are connected in the 3 pin number 13. Fine, you can give any single name, either LED buzzer, or you can give your name also. Okay, fine. And after that, we know that LED and buzzer I need to write here because it's a case sensitive language, I have already told before. And I'll remove this motor pin because I'm not using motor anymore, and the serial pin will responsible for getting to display the value on the serial monitor. And after that, int sensor value, so I'm reading the sensor value, right? So I'm creating a variable here and I'm reading this value from the A0 pin. Analog value I'm going to read, that's why analog read. If you want to read a digital value, then you have to write digital read. Okay, then I'm printing that value in a serial monitor. So let's say before making the conditions, what I'll do, motors I don't want anyhow, so I'll remove this, and this motor also I don't want, I'll remove this. So here I'll write LED buzzer, right? First I'll check the conditions, the values, then only I'm going to make the conditions here. Okay, so just for my reference I'm writing this one from begin itself. Now I'm going to start simulation. So now we'll see the value. Okay, so as you can see, as I'm taking the gas sensor away from these are the gases, the black cloud you can see here, right? These act as a gases. Okay, let's say it's a LPG gas. If the gas leakage comes in the region of gas sensor, what is happening? The LED and buzzer both are functioning, and it is indicating that something is going wrong in the house. Okay, like this we can design our project. Fine, I hope you are understanding what is happening here. So whenever the value is less than 1000, less than 100, both are low, right? And whenever the value is more than 100, what we're doing, we are making them high. So let's say when I'm coming closer, the value is crossing 100, and that's why it is indicating that something is going wrong in the house, and the alarm and the buzzering, alarm and LEDs both are working. This whole system acts as an alarm basically. So buzzer and LED both are in function now. Fine. So when the gas is moving away, there is no the gas is not sensing anything. Now the gas sensor is not sensing anything. So at this point, what is happening? There is no alarm. So when the alarm will come only when the gases are coming closer to the gas sensor. I hope you understand this one. Thank you for watching.